Veg biryani is biryani, and for the sake of this video, we are not going to argue that. I am going to show you how to make biryani on the appliance. Appliance is India's first AI cooking assistant which automates cooking, chopping, stirring to level up your day-to-day kitchen experience. This iconic dish has all the workings of a great biryani: basmati rice, lots of spices, and some vegetables. Veg biryani is really popular. There are several regional varieties that use local ingredients and cooking styles. Hyderabadi veg biryani packs a punch with its heat, a true celebration of spicy South Indian flavors. Lucknowi veg biryani is all about mild aromatic spices like cardamom, cloves, and saffron, creating a complex yet delicate flavor profile. The big difference you will notice between cooking on the appliance and the stove: everything sort of happens on its own. I don't have to be involved in every step. I just add the ingredients when the appliance tells me to, and it does the rest. As long as you have the right groceries, you can cook anything. And if you are a purist, we do have a chicken biryani recipe here as well, along with mushroom and paneer options. Cooking all of them is just as easy and hassle-free. Our owners will love them.